Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be playing with a couple new products. So some of them are first impressions. If you want to see how these products work, just keep on watching. Also, let me know what kind of videos you want to see, because I do a lot of hauls and makeup reviews or first time impressions, and because I like that, but I also kind of want to start doing a little bit of vlogs, and I'm thinking of doing another updated makeup collection because it has grown for sure. So I feel like it's only right for me to do an updated collection. But yeah, let me know if you want to see that or if you're interested in watching anything like that. But okay, let's get started. I already did my skincare. I did my SPF. Now I'm gonna use a new primer, Danessa Myricks primer, the shade Universal. It's the Blurring Balm Powder. I already used this one time on my TikTok and I loved it. It reminds me a lot of the Milani. They have slightly different textures. This one's more gooey, you know? But this one, once I pat it in like 30 seconds to a minute, it starts to get glowy again. I don't know if you've noticed that, but I noticed that when I use this for my pores, it comes out matte, but then like 30 seconds to a minute, it starts getting glowy again. As long as my pores are not showing as much. That's all I care about. So I do like both of these products, but they do work slightly different, but they both do the same thing. But today I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna use this all over my face. Oh my god, I'm already touching pan. Yeah, I'm already touching pan. So how often am I gonna, how long is this gonna last? I'm gonna use it all over my face. This has a slight scent to it. Like, it smells a little chemically. And it is like, it's, I feel like this is in the, yeah, like in the middle. I don't know if it's my SPF peeking through, but up here it looks a little bit glowier. And right here it looks more matte, which this is the problem area that I have, you know? For foundation, I'm gonna use my Chanel #1 in the shade B60. And I always do 3 pumps, 1 in the forehead that I bring it down, and then 2 on the cheeks. I got the Morphe Set in Heat Creamy Bronzer Stick in the shade Smolder. I wanted to get this because this is more cool tone than orangey, you know? So I really wanted to define my cheeks with this because I loved the Spark one. So I feel like these two together are gonna be such a beautiful contour and bronze duo. We'll see. We'll see how it does. Let's start right here. Oh my god, okay. And honestly, I have used bronzers and contour sticks this dark, like the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. That's how intense that one was, and it worked for me. So, but I really had to like blend it out, you know what I mean? Use this first, and then I'm gonna go over it with the shade Spark. And this should really make it define. Like, do you see that? Yeah, that's what I like, because the way that this blends out is so seamless and easy that I felt like I could pull it off. Do you see? And right here I accidentally put some of my chin too high, but that's okay. I think I put too much right here. Yeah, this one I'm gonna have to blend, like clean it off and then go back in. This one I'm gonna use my brush actually. Yeah, let's see, that's better. But do you see that shadow? Like, just blend it out a little more. My nose is peeling, so yeah, because I was doing extractions. Okay, then I'm going with Spark. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Beige 6N Wake Up Artist Concealer. Oh wait, I forgot to put my blush. So let me just put this in the inner corner so I can also apply the blush before. Ooh, actually, I got a new blush by Patrick Ta. It's called She Knows Who She Is. And oh my god, this is so stunning. This is such a summery color. I freaking love this. On my skin tone, it looks so nice. This is like a perfect terracotta shade for me. It looks really, really, really nice. So I'm gonna apply the cream first and then the powder. And this is very pigmented, so be careful. Or not. Or be reckless, I don't know. But it's so look at this color. That's intense. But with the concealer over it, it calms it down, you know? So what I do is, because I clean my brushes in between, so like with this, I'll get a napkin and just clean the brush and then keep diffusing it. I'm gonna blend this blush in with my bronzer. And then, do you see how it looks right now? It's not as blended as I like, so I'm gonna go back in with my sponge. And using the clean side, so I'm just gonna go over it on this. Like that. Okay, now I'm gonna spread the concealer. And then we're gonna go in with the sponge and then just melt everything together. And then with the tiny amount that it has left, just go over the nose a little bit. And I'm gonna go back in with my brush and I'm gonna tap a little bit, but this time I'm gonna tap in the back of my hand because I just want to re-amplify this part right here. And now I'm going with my Laura Mercier powder for all over the face. And then for powder bronzer, I'm going to go in with the YSL in the shade number 4. I have been loving this blush. Yeah, let me keep patting the back of my hand and then... But it's so pretty! Oh my god, I can't. It's such a like sunburned shade for me. It looks so freaking pretty. I like it. A lot of people probably won't like this type of look, but I think it's just a cute look. And then I'm also gonna go in with my Fenty powder in the shade Butter for a more brightening effect. Okay, and then for the lips, I'm gonna go in with the Laneige Glaze Craze in the shade Strawberry. Oh my god, this smells so freaking nice. This pink is so pretty. To me, this feels like a gloss in between a gloss and their lip masks in one. That's how this feels. Okay, and I'm just gonna fill in my brows with the Benefit, the shade 6. Okay, and then let me put some lashes on and I'll be right back. And I'm actually gonna use my new Easy Bake by Huda. This is my second time using it. So the first time, it spat at me. So hopefully it doesn't do it this time. I don't know if that was just like the first time or something, but I shook it really well. See, like it still does that. You see like the splotches right there? I don't know if I don't like that. Like, look at my forehead. Look at my face. Girl, I shook you though. Let's try it again. I feel like that one was better. That one was better. So I don't know what's going on with this, but I mean it is leaving like little spots. I don't like that. They need to fix the nozzle on that for sure. Oh yeah, no, I don't like that. Cause that's like leaving marks on my face. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that, but I do like the finish of it. So I wonder if I can open this and like transfer it to a different, well, I don't want to break it, but yeah, I don't think I can even do that. Girl, what the hell's up with this spray though? I don't like that. If that's gonna happen every time, we gonna have a problem, Huda. It says shake well, but I'm shaking well. Like, what do you mean? I'm gonna do it one more time and see if it's just the beginning sprays, or what. Hold on. I'm scared. Nope. That's just spat at me again. Yeah, I don't. Huda. What the fuck is this? Look at my. What if I had like a important event to go to, and my face looking like this? Like, let's see if me without patting it down, if it'll dry, without me disturbing it and pressing it down on my face. But I don't think so. Yeah, no. Look at. Nah, Huda, you did me dirty. Look, you can see the fucking. I was rooting for you. I was literally rooting for you. Like, I like the finish of this, but it's not worth you fucking up your makeup every time. That's crazy. That's sad. The rice starch, I think, is what's clogging this shit. I don't know if that's not blended good enough or what the fuck is going on, because that should not be. Look at my face. Like, it has little spots all over. That just ruined my makeup. Like, I'm gonna have to go back and retouch. And what's the point of doing the last step if you gotta retouch again? What the fuck? No, Huda. Fix it. I know you gonna fix it. Fix it, because that is crazy. And I really like this. Like, I really want to like it, but I feel like the problem isn't the formula. The problem is the damn nozzle, I think. Because it should not be spraying like that. And I shook it. It's like you get 50-50 chance of it fucking up your makeup. And I really, 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 really like the formula of this. I love the packaging of it. I love everything about it, except that's how it's spraying at my face those couple of times. Like, I don't know. And like right now, like it's not a big deal right now because I'm not going anywhere. But imagine if I had to go somewhere important and I'm looking like this. That's not cute. Okay, but anyways, I'm gonna keep trying and see what I can do to fix it, or if I'm doing it wrong, because I'm shaking it. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I don't want it to spray like that. So, but I did see a lot of mixed reviews. Some girls are saying that it don't spray like that. Some girls are saying that it does. So I don't know what's going on. Mine is definitely spraying like that, and I don't like that. So please fix that ASAP. This is the finished look. I love the Patrick Ta blush, and she knows who she is. Definitely a summer blush, maybe even a winter blush, but definitely a summer blush. And the Laneige Blaze Craze, I love this. I was kind of like iffy about getting this just because it looked like just a regular product, but this is not a regular product. This definitely feels different. I like that it's like in between a gloss and a lip balm. That's definitely what this is giving, and I love that it feels so hydrating and soft on the lips. And the color payoff, you can definitely tell, like it's definitely pigmented, because I've had some glosses that like look promising, but then when I put them on, it's like you're not even showing up, you know. But that one, I'm definitely gonna be trying the other ones. I have two to three more in mind that I want to try, but this pink, so beautiful, and it smells like a strawberry milkshake. The Danessa Myricks primer, yes ma'am, that's definitely a keep. I'm kind of iffy though, because I feel like I'm gonna run through that product quick, so I'm gonna be testing it out and see how many times it took me to, like how long it takes me to use a primer, because usually with primers they last a while, but with that one I feel like I'm gonna run through that one real quick. The Morphe contour sticks, love them. Love how easy it is to work with them, especially with their brush, cream and liquid contour brush. Love this because I like this better than the sponge. I use a sponge after everything's blended out just to have a more seamless flow and blend, so I would definitely repurchase it, and they're so affordable. But that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.
It's in my juice like I'm genuine. They do not like that I'm genuine. Pretty little thing, get impressed. Everywhere I go, I'm breaking necks. I'm the one. I'm a dime. She a fluke. She be lying.